Today I'm going to be reviewing for him RawChemistry Fragrance Cologne with Pheromone. I'd like to thank RawChemistry for sending this to me to review. Put this on. I just sprayed it on me. You know, they say mist it twice in the air walkthrough. You can do that. Some people put it on their wrists and then put it on their ears and on the neck. That's the best way to do it. And she kissed me. She said she liked the smell. Now, did it attract her crazy with those pheromones? I don't know. I'm going to keep using this though, because I thought the smell was very good. It's a good smell. I normally like to see 4.4 and this got 4 stars. So I went to go look at some of the complaints or whatever it might be. Some say, well, it didn't work. It didn't attract the women right away or whatever. You know, people have different smells, different scents. This is going to work better for some people over others. Overall, I like the smell. To me, that's the big thing. I'm already married, so hopefully she'll like it and it'll make her more excited or something like that. I'd have to use this longer to know that, but the smell itself is really good. And this must be really good because last month, October 2025, 3,000 of these were sold. So I would say give it a try, see if it works for you, and maybe I'll get some more stuff from RawChemistry to try out. Hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.